नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सब कैसे हैं और आपके परिवार में सब कैसे हैं? सब ठीक है ना? चलिए, today we are going to learn something that is not known to a lot of native speakers of Hindi. We have already learned that this letter denotes the p sound. Now the new thing is that the aspirated version of this sound would be ph, as in phir milenge. This is p, p, ph. Can you hear the difference? P, ph, p, ph. The sound p comes directly from Sanskrit, and we have a lot of words with this sound in Hindi too, like phal, फल 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 मतलब फ्रूट, फूल फूल मतलब फ्लावर, फिर से मतलब अगेन, फल फूल फिर से. The interesting thing is that most of the natives don't know that Sanskrit or standard Hindi do not have the f sound. Moreover, many are not aware that this letter is equivalent to the p sound, or the p sound even exists. So they pronounce these words as fal, fool and firse. Maybe because in English, ph and f have the same pronunciation. On the other side, many people, especially those who live in villages or those who haven't been exposed to English, find it difficult to pronounce the f sound. But people like singers, songwriters, scriptwriters, poets know these differences. If we have a close look at the lyrics of some songs or movie titles, we can clearly see that certain words have their spellings with ph while others have f in the English transliteration. Now, to write f, we use a dot below the same letter. This dot is called nukta and is used to denote the sounds that did not exist in Sanskrit. Now let's have a look at the words that have the f sound. These words have foreign origin, like from English, Urdu, Persian, Arabic, etc. The first word is phone. Can you see that I have used a point, the nukta below p, to make it f? The second word is safar. Safar, safar. Safar matlab journey. फायदा, फायदा मतलब benefit. And फैसला, फैसला मतलब decision. The first word was from English, while the other three words have their origin from the Middle East. So now on, if your Hindi speaking friends make this mistake, you can correct them. So that's all for today. See you in the next lesson. फिर मिलेंगे. नमस्ते.